Alright, so you're thinking about moving to Waxahachie, or maybe you're just curious what your money gets you here in 2025. Well, today I'm showing you 3 homes, each one in a very different price range. We're starting with the cheapest home currently on the market, then jumping to a mid-range remodel, and finally wrapping up with a brand new custom build sitting on an acre. Whether you're looking for a starter, a step up, or just love seeing what's out there, this will give you a proper look at what life in Waxahachie can really look like. Let's get into it. Oh, and if you're into this kind of thing, exploring what different towns around Texas have to offer, getting a feel for the homes, the vibe, the value, then go ahead and give this video a like, drop a comment to let me know what you think, and hit subscribe if you want to see more towns like Waxahachie. Right, first up, the most affordable home on the market right now. Let's go check it out. Alright, so first up on our tour today, we're kicking things off with the most affordable home on the list. This one's 921 South College Street, and it's listed at just $220,000. Now yeah, it's not brand new, but it's got charm, it's got space, and it's sitting on over 1/3 of an acre. That's loads of room, especially for this price point. You've got a corner lot, no neighbours on one side, which gives you a bit of privacy. And there's a double carport around the front, plus a garage and a second carport around the back. Honestly, for anyone with extra vehicles, trailers, or just too much stuff, it's a dream. Inside, it's a 3-bed, 1.5 bath, just over 1,100 square feet. It's simple, it's lived in, but it's clean and definitely move-in ready. Washer, dryer, fridge, all included, and you're only a short walk to the local elementary school. So if you're after a starter home or even a rental investment in Waxahachie, this is a smart one to look at, and again, $220,000. Can't really argue with that. Let's head over to the next one and see what a little more money gets you. Alright, let's talk about something in the middle, right between the fixer-upper and the fancy new build. This is 704 McMurray Drive, right here in University Park neighbourhood, and this one's all about that fully renovated vibe. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,600 square feet, and it's been given a full-on glow-up, over $130,000 in upgrades. It was built in 2001, but step inside and it feels brand new. New quartz counters, new flooring, designer fixtures, stainless appliances, plus a waterfall island in the kitchen that looks like something out of a magazine. There's even a sunroom on the side that opens up to a private tree-shaded backyard. No HOA either, which is always a bonus. You're in a great part of Waxahachie, just minutes to I-35 and the historic downtown. And the list price is $469,000. So for someone who wants style, comfort and move-in ready without stretching to that new build budget, this is a solid pick. Right, let's go to the last one and see what a new build has to offer. Alright, so this is where the budget really stretches its legs. Welcome to 125 Aiden Drive. Brand new, just built and sitting on a full acre out here in Tuscan Estates, one of the most sought after spots in Waxahachie. This place is a total standout. We're talking over 3,000 square feet, 4 beds, 3 full baths, a game room, a home office. It's the kind of layout that works whether you've got a big family, you work from home, or you just like a bit of space to spread out. And the finishers, mate, they've done it right. Straight away you'll notice tall tray ceilings throughout, makes every room feel grand. You've got a proper open plan kitchen with built-in cabinets, granite counters, a huge island, plus a gas cooktop and tankless water heater, all the practical stuff sorted. The living room's got a vaulted ceiling, a wood-burning fireplace with a gas starter, and it all opens up to a big covered patio out back. Perfect for entertaining or just enjoying some peace and quiet. Every bedroom's got a walk-in closet, and the master suite, huge. It's got a garden tub, separate vanities and a walk-in shower, all tucked away from the rest of the house for a bit of privacy. All in all, if you're after that move-in ready, everything's done vibe, this one absolutely delivers. Listed at just $759,990, and worth every penny if you're after space, style and something brand new. And that's a wrap on our Waxahachie tour. 3 homes, 3 totally different price ranges, and hopefully it gave you a good feel for what your money can get out here. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more real homes in real Texas towns, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. There's loads more coming. This is Living in Texas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.